Let us now understand how do we add three fractions with sign. I am Anil Kumar. Welcome to my YouTube channel and the website Global Math Institute. Let me thank all the viewers and subscribers for watching my videos, posting excellent comments and suggestions. Well, some of you want to understand how do we add three fractions at the same time using signs. So you should know the concepts of integers and also adding fractions. Well, in case you want to learn directly from me, feel free to send an email on globalmathinstitute@gmail.com. Here are 6 practice questions for you. Let's begin with the very first one. So we have plus 4 over 15 plus 1 over 3, and then we need to add plus 3 over 5. First step always is to have a common denominator. So let's think what is the common denominator? Well, it is lowest common denominator we're talking about is 15. Now these signs, two pluses and all, right? When you multiply plus with plus, it is just plus, positive number. So we can rewrite the expression as 4 over 15 plus 1 over 3 plus 3 over 5. So if you're multiplying the like signs, positive with positive, it is always positive. And now, since we want to have lowest common denominator of 15, we can rewrite this as 4 over 15. The next term we are going to multiply by 5 will give us 5 over 15, and this with 3. 3 times 3 is 9, 9 over 15. And now you can add the numerators. 4 plus 5, 9, 9 plus 9 is 18, and we get 18 over 15. You may write this as a mixed number, dividing 18 by 15, 1 whole. 3 remains, which needs to be further divided by 15. And that is how you answer this question. So I hope that is clear, right? In the next one, we have some positive with negative and negative signs. So once again, we have 4, 6, and 8. So what is the lowest common denominator? Well, here's an interesting technique to look into. We are working with 4, 6, and 8. 2 is common with all, so dividing by 2, we get 2, 3, and 4. Further, we have 2 as a common factor between 2 and 4, so we can further divide. 3 cannot be divided, so I'm writing it as such. So LCD, the lowest common denominator, should be 2 times 2 times 3 times 2, right? So it should be 2 times 2 times 3 times 2, which is 24, right? So lowest common denominator is 24. Perfect. Now let's rewrite the whole expression. Open the brackets. So negative 3 by 4 is your first term. Positive and negative makes it negative 1 over 6. Negative, same signs when multiplied will give you positive 3 over 8. Now you want to make each as 24. From 4 times 6 is 24. So we'll multiply 3 by 6, we get 18 over 24. This is going to be multiplied by 4, 4 over 24, plus 8 times 3 is 24. So 3 times 3, 9 over 24. So now minus 18 minus 9 plus 9. Do this math. Minus 18 minus 9 plus 9 will be minus 9. And then we get minus 13 by 24 as our answer. Perfect. Simple steps. So it doesn't really matter whether you are adding two or three fractions. Let's continue. Here is the next question. I hope you have understood the process. You can now pause the video, do this question yourself. In case you want to learn directly from me, feel free to send an email on globalmathinstitute@gmail.com. So we have 432. So lowest common denominator is what? Very simple. 4 times 3, 12, right? So 12 is also a multiple of 2. So we'll make each as 12. So now let's begin. We can start with opening the brackets. We have 3 by 4. Minus and minus is plus. 1 over 3. Minus times plus opposite sign gives you negative half. Common denominator being 12. To make 3 by 4 with denominator of 12, I have to multiply by 3, right? So I get 9 on the top. Here we have to multiply by 4. So we get 4 on the top. Minus, here we have to multiply by 6. 6 over 12. And now 12 is the common denominator. Numerators. 9 plus 4, 13, minus 6 is 7. So we get 7 over 12 as our answer. Clear? 3 more questions to go. So first step, as you say, we can find what is the lowest common denominator. It indeed is 10, right? Rewrite the statement, open the brackets, minus 3 by 10 plus 2 by 5 minus 3 by 10. To get 10, we have to multiply 5 by 2. The others as such, right? Simple as that, correct? 3 minus 3 minus 6 and plus 4 is 2 out of 10, which can be simplified and written as 1 over 5. Next question, please. Here, what is the lowest common denominator? Well, that is 12, correct? Rewrite the expression, open the brackets, 5 out of 12 plus 2 out of 3 minus 3 out of 4. Common denominator of 12 minus 5 out of 12 plus times 4, right? 8 over 12 times 3, 9 over 12. So we have common denominator 12 minus 9 plus 8 is plus 3, and then minus 9 will give me minus 6, right? Which is minus half. Do you see? You have to simplify to the lowest terms when you write down your answer. Easy, right? Last question for you. So you can write down what could be the lowest common denominator. 4, 12, and 5, right? Let's do this technique. 4, 12, and 5. You can divide each by 4 at least. We can divide, right? 4, 3, and 5. So 4 times 3, 12 times 5, 60, right? So it is 4 times 3 times 5, which is 60. So this time the lowest common denominator is 60. Let's rewrite the expression. Open the brackets, minus 3 by 4, same sign, plus 5 by 12, same sign, plus 3 by 5. To make it 60, I have to multiply 4 by 15, so we get minus 45. Here we have to multiply 12 by 5, 25 by 60, and 3 I have to multiply by 20, so we get 60. Oh, 5 I have to multiply by 12, sorry. 5 multiplied by 12, 12 times 3, 36. 60 is the common denominator. So you can add 25 and 36, or you can just go ahead. Minus 45 plus 25 is minus 20. Take away 20 from 36 will give us 16, right? You can simplify this, dividing both by 4, for example. So 4 over 15 is your final answer. You see how we can do all these questions, simple as that. So basically, when you have given 3 fractions to be added with signs, 2 steps. 1, find the lowest common denominator. right? Once you find the lowest common denominator, you know what the denominator should be. Open the brackets and then simplify, correct? That helps you to find solution of all these questions. I hope that helps. Feel free to write your comment, share your views. If you like and subscribe to my videos, that'd be great. Thanks for your time and all the best.